Andiyan kami nagagabi ko siya. May lumilipad yung tatay.
Tapos ko na. Sarap yung panglawan ko kasi. Nagaman bakon.
Adriel! Kita mo, Adriel! Ako, sige, picture mo! Wow! Aba, di look there! Ito! Ayun siya!
Ayo!
Dad! Paano mo kami ni baby? Lalaki na ni baby. Ilang kilo ba ka?
But for them, it's very symbolic. Okay, another round of applause for Kuya Jeff. And for the next dance, so second dance, it is a form of hunting. For they believe there's no other animals that can match their skills when it comes to hunting other than the monkey. Showing flexibility and agility, no other animals can match their ability. So to show us their hunting or monkey dance, ladies and gentlemen, Kuya Greg. Watch out.
Look!
And of course, their own version of pole dancing. Okay, another round of applause for And last dance. So this dance, it's no longer an animal movement, but it is very very important for them. So this is what they're known as sayaw ng pagbabayani or war dance. During the olden times, when laws is not yet fully established and rules are being set by the elders, whenever there's a misunderstanding arises between two tribes, before sending their fellow men into the actual battlefield to fight for the war, they normally perform war dance to ask guidance from their god named Apo na Malyari to give them a victorious fight or to make a peaceful solution over dispute. So to show us war dance or sayaw ng pagbabayani, once again, Greg and Jesse. So watch out, they might accidentally release that arrow. Okay, palakpakan naman natin silang lahat. So thank you very much. So that will be the end of the short but humble presentation. Everybody, come on, let's stand up now. Sir, watch out. Be careful.
More! Up
Okay, so to everybody for my group, let us all stand up now. And